Rightio everyone, today we're going to be testing out some new engine mounts for the new KTM group bikes. So we're talking 2023 KTM Husqvarna and 2024 and up gas 450 engine mounts. So I've got these off BFR MX and I just thought I'd give them a test and we'll do a back-to-back comparison. They're made by CMT. So these guys are based out in Italy, I believe, somewhere in Europe. But yeah, we'll put these on. We'll go for a ride first with these ones, and then we'll put these beauties on, and then we'll give it a back-to-back test, and yeah, we'll come back with the results later. First moto done on the aluminium engine mounts, standard ones from KTM. We'll put these carbon ones on and give them a go, eh? Had a bit of a downpour here at Willowbank today. Come through about 20 minutes ago, but it's given me enough time now to get these carbon engine mounts on. They look so trick. Keen as fuck to give them a go. Thank you again, massive shout out to BFR MX for getting me these and let me give it a good crack. She's a bit loud, but let's gear up and we'll get back out there. been for a couple of motos with the carbon engine mounts, and oh my, they are unbelievable. It's so hard to believe that, you know, something like this that's just made out of carbon fibre and not aluminium can make such a huge difference. But like, even at Willowbank, if you've ridden here, in the bally outside sections of the natty terrain track, like, you never get front end grip. This thing gets front end grip now. Like, I don't understand how it's so good. But even like coming into braking bumps, it's unbelievable how settled and planted the bike is now. It's so compliant. It's awesome. Like, I really, really highly recommend these to anyone that's looking for a bit more compliance and front end grip on their KTM Husky gas bikes. So yeah, if you found the video entertaining, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. All helps the algorithm, which helps me get my videos out to more people. But yeah, thank you very much, guys, and have a good one.